Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use WeChat on laptop. Even if you have never used WeChat before, now WeChat is not just a messaging app, it's WhatsApp, Instagram, PayPal, Google Drive, Zoom and Facebook all combined in one powerful platform. Millions of people use WeChat daily for messaging and calling, business communication, file sharing, work collaboration, international connection and even payments. So but many people do not know what you can also use WeChat comfortably on your laptop, which is perfect for your work, any chats, large files using for a keyboard. So in this video I will explain what is WeChat and how can we use it. WeChat is a multi-purpose communication developed by Tencent. It is popular for personal chatting, communication, networking, freelancing, and online work. And it also allows you to send text messages, make voice and video calls, share photos, video documents, create group chats, use official business accounts, sync chats across devices. You must have a WeChat installed on your phone. Your phone is required for login chats synced automatically. First, you can use any of your browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Safari, and after that in the top there's an address bar. Type down wechat.com and enter it, and over here select you can download for this Microsoft here and select download, and after that you can select run after it get downloads and select install once it opens into your Microsoft store and wait for it to get download. Select yes, and after that you can open to your WeChat app here. So here it asks you to scan to login. So what you can do is you can simply scan your WeChat. Over here simply scan into your phone to login, and after that it will open to your Windows as well. Over here on the top there's a search WeChat for PC or WeChat for Mac, WeChat laptop interface. Here on the left hand side we can see the chats, contact, your favorites, your setting, chat windows as well, and this is where you type messages. Over here send emojis, share files, make calls, stop bar option here, search chats. Here you can search your chats with any of your friends, view contact information, mute conversation if you have. Everything is designed to be simple and clean. And how to chat on WeChat on laptop. So you can click on any of this chat, type your message, press enter to send, emojis and sticker, click on emojis icon and click to send. You can also drag and drop files directly into chat or click plus icon, select document, photos, videos, and WeChat supports large files, making it perfect for work. You can also make calls using WeChat on your laptop. You can open a chat, click voice call or video call, allow microphone and then camera access. Make sure laptop mic works, camera permission are enabled, internet connection is stable. And you can go to the settings. On the bottom there's a 3-line icon here. You can go to the setting here. You want to save the chat history, which is already enabled, but if you do not prefer, so you can simply toggle it off and your chat history won't be saved. Over here you can also manage your storage location and auto file downloads, which is only for the 20 MB limitation. And if you want to clear all the chats from your history, you can simply select this clear all chats, and all of the chats from your chat will be deleted. And you can go to this general. Here you can find the language, which is automatic. If you want to change the language here, you can select this automatic, find any of these other languages here by simply selecting. Over here you can go to this general. Here you want to translate text to any of the chats, web pages, and an image will be translated into the selected language on WeChat here. If you want to text language to any of the language, here you can find tons of the language that you want to prefer. Simply select this and it will automatically set to your next translation. Here you can also change your appearance. You can select to this automatic here. You can select either the light mode or the dark mode as per your preference here. And if you want to manage your font size, you can select this icon here, which will automatically make your font larger or smaller as per your preference here. On the bottom you can find all of this icon that says open chat files in a read only mode. Over here on the shortcuts you can find all of these basic and most used shortcuts here. In order to send a message you can simply enter. If you want to screenshot you can do this ALT plus for the love, control plus L, and the show height WeChat window, control plus ALT. If you want to choose any of this automatic shortcut, you can simply type down your own shortcut as well, and you can restore to this defaults. And over here on the notification, because this is where many people get confused, you can type up the notification, new message alert sound, group mentions, your video calls and alert sound, your moments, and only notify friend interaction if you want. You can simply toggle on this icon if you want your friend interactions notification here. In order to manage, you can simply toggle it on or toggle off, and you can control everything from here. You can also mute specific chat. If one group is too noisy, you can open the chat, click onto the chat info on the top right, and you can mute notification. And this way important chats stay active and unnecessary ones stay silent. Over here in this plugin, WeChat has its own file management system. We can view receive files, open file location, clear storage, re-download the files, and this is great for people who receive lots of PDFs, images, or work files. So now let's talk about the profile here. On this icon profile here, WeChat profile is basically your digital identity. It's what people see before they even talk to you. On laptop, you can view, edit, and manage most profile setting wise. Over here, what you can do is you can simply select manage contact here. If you want to manage your account as well, you can select to this here. You can manage your contacts here as well. And by simply selecting to this moments over here, you can change your profile by clicking into this photo icon here, and you can select from your downloads or any of this library. Simply double click on it and select finish. And if you want to mention any of your friends or anybody, you can do that as well. If you want this to be visible to all of your friends, you can select to this and select all. But if you just want it private or visible to certain people, you can go to this. But if you do not want to share this, you can select this icon here. If you want to make it private, select to this private and select OK and select post after you're done. Next thing is to manage your history. On the bottom left, there's 3-line icon here. Select this and find your manage chat history. Over here, if you want to import any of the chat history to your computer, you can select to this. If you want to export the chat history, you can simply export this by clicking into this. But if you want to backup and restore any of the chat on WeChat on your phone to the computer, you can restore it to your phone when needed over here by simply selecting to this as well. And in the chat files, you can find all of this recent chats here, all of the sender, your chats, all of your document types, your spreadsheets, presentation, and other things that you want to find it over here. Over here on the feedback, if you face any issues, WeChat provides in-app feedback system. You can report bugs, report login problem, report chat or the file issues, suggest improvements, and always mention problem clearly, device type, screenshot if possible, and short explanation. This helps WeChat support understand it faster. Now let's talk about the search channel. In the top over here, you can select any of the search. You can simply go to this search results here. With search, you can search your contact, group chats, keywords inside the old messages, your files shared in chats, articles, and official account. This saves a lot of time, especially for your work and materials and other conversation. You can use the Ctrl+F command inside a chat to search messenger faster. Over here in the channels, so WeChat channels are similar to any other shorts in your social media. You can view channel videos over here. You can open shared links, watch videos on a bigger screen, and people use channels for new updates, educational content, business promotion, and lifestyle videos. And while uploading and managing channels, a laptop is great for watching, learning, and sharing. And in the articles, it's a content platform, not just messaging. Many companies, creators, and organizations publish articles, news, announcement, educational posts. And in the stickers here, on WeChat, you can use built-in stickers, send emojis, receive stickers, packs from others, sync stickers from your phone. These extra features help you get more explore about WeChat on laptop and you can use it smartly. And now let's talk about logging out, which many people forget, and it's a big security risk. In order to log out, on the bottom left, you need to select this 3-line icon here, and after that you need to go to the setting. Once you reach into this setting, on your my account, you'll simply find this all of the managements and your logout icon on the top here. You can simply select this logout and select OK. And once logout laptop access is removed, phone remains safe and QR login required again. If you forgot to log out on a laptop, you can open your WeChat on phone, remove the laptop session instantly. This is very powerful security feature. And the most common mistake people make is staying logged in, never clearing chat storage, ignoring feedback option, assuming chats are logged automatically. Always log out, clean files regularly, review chat privacy, use feedback when needed. And now you know how to use WeChat. So this was the complete guide on how to use WeChat on laptop. Now you know what WeChat is, how do you install, how to log in, and how to chat, call, and share files, and how to use it safely and professionally. If this video helped you, like this video, don't forget to subscribe, or if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.